Guys, today around the house with Cheryl, I'm painting a pot inspired for Father's Day. And if you want to see how my pot turns out, stick around and be right. Okay, for this project, I'm going to share with you the paints that I'm using. I think all but two of the paints are outdoor paint. I have this black wrought iron patio paint. That's what I'm using. I'm using this white outdoor paint. I'm using this apple barrel, just a red apple. And this is Delta's ceramic coat acrylic paint in autumn brown. Okay, and then I just have some old brushes. Didn't want to mess up any new ones, but just a variety of brushes. And just a little container with some water where I use these old sour cream containers to clean my brushes. And I have a pot, just a clay pot, but I want to show you, I started on one side and I wanted to show you how I'm going to do the other. But here it goes. So this was a test on this side, so I'm going to do the other side. I've already kind of drawn out what I want to do. You kind of see it. It's supposed to be, well, I'll let you guess at the end. And I've already painted it with this autumn brown. So stick with me, guys, if you want to see how I paint this other side. This is like kind of like a trial and error. I'm going to get me a pencil because I'm going to be doing some tracing on here, or drawing. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. Got my little pie pan here. I'm going to put some paint in there. I'm going to start with the white. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but we will give it a try. Okay. Just going to paint on here. And I hope you enjoy watching DIYs. So especially painting. I love to paint on stuff, but I have another DIY coming up soon. I'm excited to share that with you. I hope you just come back to see what I have done. I really love it. It's great, at least to me. You guys can let me know what you think of it. I'm going to try to do a DIY on that. I hope you like my shirt. This is Ren and Stimpy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. So I'm just going to probably put, I'm going to say probably 2 coats. Oops. Look, I'm trying to paint myself, I reckon. Okay, when I did the other side, I tried to paint the white inside the black lines, but I thought this time I'm just going to paint the area I want white and then come back and paint on the black lines. I think that would be easier. So I'm going to turn the pot around. You'll be able to see. So once I get the white on, I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, here you see I came back in with my red. I'm making a tie, and I'm going to also trace that in black. I'm putting my little black dots, well, lines under the white, as you can see there. And so I'm going to keep doing this, and I will be back in a second to show you what I do next. So keep watching. This is a fun project. I think it's great for Father's Day. Okay, I'm putting a little bit of black for the collar on here. Collar of the shirt. Just making some just thin black lines, doing the best that I can. I think that looks good. Okay. Now I'm drawing the bottom part. I guess it's kind of like the pants section. Okay, so that's it, guys. Stick with me. Okay, guys, we're
I will be back
close to the end of this project.
last.
I have my gloves and some potting mix, and I'm going a plant that I had dug up from my garden, and I'm gonna put a little bit of soil. I got this towel here. I'm still getting soil on the table, but I'll get it up after. So I'm gonna put a little bit of soil at the bottom of this pot. Then I'm gonna dig up the plant, but I'm gonna move it over here, and I'm gonna save this soil. Put it right there in the center. See what I'm doing here? Move that out the way. And y'all keep watching, because I want y'all to tell me. I got one more step. And so keep watching so you can see, or at least tell me what you think this is. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more soil, because when you water it, it will sink down. Make sure it's good to go. Okay, that's it for this part. Keep watching, stick with me, and I'll be back shortly with the final results.